For a lot of people, working from home or for yourself can be very daunting and puts people off. But what if you could use the skills you already have and earn a decent living from this and have the freedom you've always wanted? Most of us nowadays have good typing skills, and with a little bit more practice could improve these skills to earn good money. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Each week we bring out new videos to help you make money. Getting paid to type online is fairly straightforward. It involves you taking jobs where you can earn money by typing words, usually based on audio recording. Sometimes it might also involve some research if you're transcribing technical terms. It's also pretty low cost in terms of equipment you'll need to get going. A computer, your normal laptop is fine, although you may want to consider attaching a larger monitor so you don't strain your eyes. A good set of headphones. A lot of these jobs involve you getting paid to type audio, so being able to hear well is key. A good internet connection. Goes without saying really, and hopefully nowadays most people have good access to high-speed internet. So how can you make money typing online? Let's show you. Let's get going. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as Turk, has thousands of jobs that are commonly known as human intelligence tasks, or HITs. Many of these involve typing, including data entry, transcribing from audio recordings. While many of the available jobs aren't very high paying, they can add up over time, especially given that most of them don't take long to do. It's also worth keeping in mind that a lot of other sites where you can get paid to type online require you to have an account with Turk, so it's a good idea to sign up for them anyway. Aberdeen. Aberdeen has a number of transcribing jobs, with it being particularly good for finding positions where you can get paid to type subtitles for closed caption TV, including doing it live. You can get paid around $1.50 for each audio minute, although it's perhaps understandable that these earnings are higher here given that you are typing based on real-time TV. The catch is that they are quite strict requirements in terms of things like your typing speed and your equipment, including in some cases they ask you to have two computers so one can act as a backup, as well as a backup internet connection and phone lines. AccuTran Global. AccuTran Global is based in Canada and has a team of typists doing transcriptions and other similar services, including editing and real-time transcriptions. To be accepted, you will need to do a test, including to confirm that you have a minimum typing speed of 60 words per minute. Once you've passed this test though, you can start to expect work that will earn you around $40 to $50 an hour. abbletype. abbletype is one of the most reputable companies out there for offering transcription jobs, with rates of 40 cents per audio minute. You'll have to go through a recruitment process to qualify, including a transcription test, an interview, and another assignment process. Having headphones is also a requirement. They also ask you to make yourself available to transcribe around half an hour of audio for at least 4 days almost every week, which means you'll earn at least $96 per week if you stick to this time. Casting words. The biggest benefit of casting words is that you are eligible to work for them as long as you live in a country that allows for PayPal payments. They pay up to just over $1 per audio minute. With all jobs involving, you get paid to type what you hear. In some cases, however, you'll have to take transcription tests before getting started. Clickworker. Clickworker is similar to Turk in that it has a list of hundreds of typing jobs that you can select from, including positions involving data entry, doing research and editing text. As you successfully complete jobs, more of them will open up for you as your performance score increases. Earnings can vary, although the jobs are all pretty quick, so it's perfect if you are looking to earn a few extra dollars while being flexible. Cyberdictate. Cyberdictate is for those looking to specialise in typing jobs, as they only offer legal transcription positions. The requirements are quite strict. They ask you to have at least 3 years of experience in a law firm over the past 5 to 7 years, including a good working knowledge of legal technology and format of legal documents. You'll be preparing things such as formal correspondence, agreements, and court documents. Your earnings will, however, be higher than average given the need for experience in this field, so it's worth taking a look if you meet their requirements. Daily transcription. Daily transcription offers a range of ways for you to get paid to type online, such as subtitles and transcribing from audio files in English, including into over 30 languages such as Spanish, French, German, and many more. Most jobs are only available to those living in the US or Canada, although you can apply from outside of these countries for those positions that require knowledge of a second language. The fact that most people will need to either have knowledge of a second language or experience in legal and medical transcribing are reflected in the higher rates, which, of around 70 cents per audio minute, are well above the average. Freelancer. Freelancer has thousands of jobs in almost any field you can think of, and this includes all types of typing jobs. The great part about jobs advertised on this platform is that you can immediately see the going rate, and you can even filter out jobs that aren't paid enough for you. Examples of the pay are data entry jobs, $17 an hour, transcription jobs, $23 per hour, type translation jobs of up to $41 an hour, and subtitle correction in a movie trailer, $44 an hour. GoTranscript. GoTranscript is based in the UK, but offers transcription and translation jobs for anyone based worldwide. It's also very transparent in the terms of your potential earnings, stating that you'll be paid up to 60 cents per audio and video minute. You'll also need to do a test, which they specify includes a non-native English speaker with low video quality to really make sure it mimics what an actual job could look like for you. There is also an added bonus that if you advertise for them and someone signs up through their link, you can earn 10% lifetime affiliate commission. Hollywood Transcriptions. Hollywood Transcriptions provides transcription, translation and captioning services for the entertainment industry, as the name implies. This means that you could be getting paid to type about the next cinematic masterpiece, or even something simpler like a movie trailer. It's worth noting that this is one of the companies that require you to have your own foot pedal to control the audio recording. Microworkers. Microworkers is, as the name suggests, for those looking for micro jobs. As the name suggests, these are very short tasks for which you can be paid from just a couple of minutes' work or even less. A lot of these involve getting paid to type, including transcription work from audio and video recordings, handwriting on postcards and letters, and data entry, and so on. They claim that their freelancers have completed almost 49 million tasks over time, although some reviews online caution you to be careful that the tasks you're accepting are legit. Onespace. Onespace is another company where you get paid to type audio. They particularly value people who speak a second language, including those fluency in Mandarin, Malay, Urdu, Portuguese, Dutch, Thai and Korean. Not only do they have simple transcription jobs, but you can also find work here in writing, editing and data entry. They tend to advertise vacancies for which they're looking for candidates, but they also invite you to submit an application even if an available position doesn't exactly suit you, just in case something comes up in the future that may fit you better. Rev. Rev is one of the biggest players in the game, with a massive range of available positions for you to get paid to type online. For example, transcriptions can get paid between 30 cents and $1.10 per audio and video minute. Similarly, captioners will be expected to write captions for video and sync type audio with video at a rate of 54 cents to $1.10 for each audio and video minute. If you speak a foreign language, you get paid to type the subtitles for a higher amount, getting paid between $1.50 and $3 per video and audio minute. In terms of location, applicants can live anywhere that allows for PayPal accounts, and you're also allowed to work as much or as little as you want, guaranteeing your flexibility. Scribble. Scribble has been around since 2008 and claims to have paid out over $2 million to its transcribers, who earn between $5 and $25 per audio hour. And as a bonus, you'll receive $5 extra each month for every 3 hours of completed work. Each piece is quite short, at around 10 minutes or less, and you have a choice of previewing each file you work on. One interesting feature is that it provides a free automated transcript, which means your job is more correcting the transcript rather than typing out the transcript from scratch. The site claims that this saves 60% of your typing effort. Speakwright. Speakwright has a number of general transcription positions, but they particularly value anyone with legal experience and or who is fluent in Spanish, given many of their clients are police departments, investigators, law firms and protective service agencies. While they don't specify their exact rates, the average or overall earnings they state are impressive. That is, they claim you can make an average of $450 per month, with the top monthly earners being around $3,400. They do have fairly strict requirements regarding your typing abilities, with a minimum of 60 words per minute and a 90% accuracy. TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is one of the largest transcription websites out there where you can get paid to type audio. In fact, based on Transcribe's reviews, they appear to have the best rates in the industry, with earnings from around $15 to $22 per audio hour. Many people earn up to $2,200 per month, although the average monthly earner are around $250 for those who prefer only to do a few hours of work each month. Jobs are short, with most consisting of only 1 or 2 minute clips to convert from audio, so you can do as much or as little as you like, and you can be based in any country that lets you receive PayPal accounts, with payment being made on a weekly basis as long as you have earned at least $20. Xerox. Xerox is one of the few major companies that lets you get paid to type online by offering plenty of home-based positions in all sorts of fields. These include roles such as administration, customer service, data entry, and quality control positions. Rates will vary depending on the nature of the role and the amount of prior experience. Axion Data Entry Service. Most of the positions offered in this company involve having you type out text from the scanned document. It's unclear from their site what their rates are, but payment is made per unit, that is, per document you complete. It's worth noting that they claim they have an extremely high number of people applying for positions. Most of them don't have the necessary skills. This has led to them charging a fee for you to remain on their database as a potential typist of up to $10 for a year. Dion Data Solutions. Dion Data Solutions has positions where you can type text-based on handwritten documents that are sent to you as a scanned file. The company has been around for about 20 years and payment is made per document, so the faster you type, the more you earn. SixTrack. SixTrack is mainly looking for freelancers to do data entry in relation to voter registration. For example, you'll be responsible for accurately copying information from completed handwritten registration forms and adding them to relevant databases, as well as checking the accuracy of signatures. The work is seasonal, as you may expect, from the type of work involved. More positions are available in the lead up to US elections. This means that it's a good idea to check the site a few months before an election to see if work is available. Accuracy is also super important, and you'll be expected to maintain an accuracy rate of 98%. Southwestern Fundraising. Southwestern Fundraising, which used to be called Great American Opportunities, is a company that does fundraising for schools and other non-profit organisations that helps kids. One of the ways it does this is by getting people to buy magazine subscriptions, which they can do through filling out forms and mailing them in. Which means that during peak fundraising periods, the company needs to hire people to transcribe what's written on these forms into their database. These positions usually are advertised on their site, so if you're interested in a role like this, it's best to contact them through their website. Localize. Localize is a company where you listen to recordings and get paid to type the song lyrics based on what you hear. The best part is you get paid $4 per song, meaning that your hourly rate could potentially be pretty significant. There's no minimum in terms of the number of songs you have to listen to every week, and they're particularly interested in hiring you if you can transcribe songs into a second language, especially French and German. Just note that payment is by Hyperwallet, not PayPal, like many of the other suggestions, so it's worth first checking that you're able to sign up with an account with them. As you can see from the suggestions in this video, there is a lot of varied work, and how much you will earn will be based on your speed, the nature of the source of material, the company hired, and of course your experience. Getting paid to type online is a great way to earn some extra money and have as much flexibility as you need to in terms of when you work. And with most of these companies having no or minimal requirements as to how much work you have to do, it's easy to see that this could be a perfect way for someone looking to make some extra cash from time to time. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.